Right, today I'm going to review, well, unbox the new Wireless Rode Go. This should help cut out all the wind noise that keep getting on the videos with a bit of luck. Came late last night. Let's get into it. Get opening. A bit of a see how we get in. How do we get in? Here we go. So we're going to rip that open. Okay. Is it a box within a box? Or is that just a lid? I think that's just a lid. So you've got quick start guide on the lid. I don't know if you can see that. In the box. Not for coming out. Blimey. Oh, there we go. We have it. So, in here, a couple of USB-C cables, one there. On there. These are clipped on. Your actual right, that's one of them. That's the other one. That's your receiver. Okay, we have a couple of dead cats. Another cable. Packaging. Safety information. And the little carrying pouch. And that's it. How cool is it? Tell you what, it was a bit tricky getting it out of the old box here, wasn't it? Just bang that back in there. With that, because we ain't going to be reading it. Not yet, anyways. Fire that back in there. So, there you go, that's it. Pouch, couple of cables, couple of dead cats, and a receiver, and a microphone. Got USB, headphones. Cool. I shall get all this set up and I shall come back to you.